Today we're going to talk about surface area of a rectangular prism. Before we even talk about surface area, let's define area then surface area. Area is dealing with a 2D shape, so two-dimensional. And what is it talking about the 2D shape? It's the amount of space. Amount of space covered by the figure. So a 2D shape, the amount of space. Ooh, that's a horrible space. Covered by the figure. Well, now let's talk about surface area. Surface area, this is dealing with a 3D object. And what's different here is it's the amount of exposed surface it's the amount of exposed surface covered by the figure. So area deals with the 2D shape. It's the amount of space covered by the figure. Surface area is a 3D object. It's the amount of exposed surface covered by the figure. Well, now that we kind of have an idea, let's talk about a rectangular prism. Easy way to draw it. Draw a rectangle first. And then draw lines going outward. Come fast. Okay, there's three unique combinations here that we have to use. There's three unique combinations. First, we have our length. Then we have our width of this figure. And lastly, we have our height. For surface area, this will be the formula we use for rectangular prisms or cubes. Surface area is equal to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. So for this to work, we have to do as many combinations as possible. I'm going to highlight the width. You're going to notice that width is used twice. And width is being used with both length and height. Now, look at length. Length is being used with both width and height. And finally, height needs to be working with the other two. So there's only 3 unique combinations you can make. So you just plug everything in and that's how you get it. So if this was just say 10 meters, this is 5 meters, we have, let's just say 7 meters. You can kind of work with it here, and you just plug everything in, and it's kind of just what you see is what you get. So this will be equal to 2 times 10 meters times 5 meters plus 2 times 10 meters times 7 meters plus 2 times 5 meters times 7 meters. 10 meters is length good, 5 meters is width good. 10 meters is length good, 7 meters is height good. We have 5 for the width, 7 for the height. So it all worked out. 2 times 10, 20. 20 times 5, get 100 meters squared. 2 times 10, 20. 140 meters squared. 10 times 7, 70 meters squared. From here, 100 plus 140, 240 meters squared, plus 70 meters squared. Final answer here would be 310 meters squared. So the amount of space covered by this rectangular prism would be 310 meters squared.